Here we have a rescue spreader. As you can see, we're missing a connector here. Now, let's create and assemble this missing part. We'll start by creating a simple, symmetrical sketch. We can use the mirror feature to mirror it to the other side. Use the dimensional constraints feature to add dimensions. And select the extruded boss base feature to make both sides symmetrical. To install bolts, we need holes on both sides. Dimension the size and location of the holes. And then use the extruded cut command to easily create through holes. To add chamfers to the edges, we can simply select the face to apply chamfers to both sides. And add fillets at appropriate positions. For easier installation, a screw rod needs to be drawn at the bottom. We can draw a circle at the bottom, extrude it, and add decorative threads. Back in the assembly, we'll place the joint into it for assembly position. With the assembly down, we can now reveal all parts. So far, the assembly is completed. Next up, let's create an engineering drawing for the part. We can drag the front, top and left view from the view palette. Then bring up the colored isometric view and add dimensions to it. If we want to see the internal structure, we can create a section view by simply placing the section line at a specific position in the model. The information in the title block will be automatically captured and updated with the model. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.